In this simplified version of this example file, I want to show you how you can make this parametric vase and finally convert it into a mesh. As you can see here, these are two patterns I've produced and baked in Rhino. But for now, you can see that I can change the overall shape, which I'm going to explain why we're going to use the graph mapper to produce this vase. As you can see here, we can change it simply by changing these graph mappers. And I'm also going to explain the relative item. So you can see by increasing that, we're going to change the curves patterns. And finally, we're going to use a Dendro plugin to convert that into the final mesh, which is going to be this one. And at the end, we're going to convert that into a mesh, which you can see we can have that here to use that in your projects. So let's get started and talk about the steps you have to take to get the final results.